Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. At the beginning of this year, Realme seems to be very confident in showing their presence in the smartphone market. They have launched several smartphones in different segments, and today we are going to talk about one of their most interesting budget performance smartphone. This is the Realme Narzo 5G. Now, this phone is clearly not designed for users who want luxury materials or flagship camera. Realme Narzo 5G is made for users who want speed, smooth performance, and reliable daily use without spending too much money. So, if you are student, a casual gamer, or someone who needs a reliable smartphone for daily activities, this phone may be interesting for you. Alright, before we go deeper into the design, performance, and camera quality, let's start from the very beginning. Okay, next, before talking about the phone itself, let's see what you get inside the box of the Realme Narzo 5G. When you open the box, the first thing you will see is the Realme Narzo 5G smartphone, placed neatly in the center. Underneath the phone, Realme including a 33-watt fast charging adapter, and this is actually a big advance. Is the price range. Not all smartphones still include a fast charging in the box, so having 33-watt charger included is a very good bonus. Next, you will find a USB Type-C cable, which can be used for charging and also for data transfer. Realme also provides a transparent soft case, so you can immediately protect the phone from scratch and fingerprint without buying an extra case. Besides that, inside the box you will find a SIM ejector tools, a quick start guide, and warranty card. Overall, the box contents are quite complete. You can start using the phone right away without worrying about additional accessories. Okay, next, design and build quality. Now, let's move on the design and build quality. And the first glance, the design of the Realme Narzo looks quite familiar. The phone uses a plastic or polycarbonate body, which is understandable for a phone in the segment. Even though it's the plastic, the build quality still feels solid in the hand. The back cover has a glossy finish, which looks attractive but also means it easily catches fingerprint. However, Realme already includes a clear case in the box, so this problem can be minimized on the right side of the phone. There is a power button that also works as a fingerprint sensor. The fingerprint sensor is fast and responsive, making it convenient for daily use. On the left side, you will find the volume buttons and the SIM tray. The SIM tray supports dual nano SIM and micro SD, which are very useful. At the bottom there is a USB Type-C port, headphone jack, a microphone, and speaker. Overall, the design of the Realme Narzo 5G is a simple, practical, and functional. Okay, next, the display experience. Now, let's talk about the display, which is one of the highlights of this phone. The Realme Narzo 5G comes with a IPS LCD display with full HD plus resolution. The colors look quite vibrant. The brightness The brightness is good enough for outdoor use, and the filming angles are also decent. But the most interesting part is the 120 refresh rate. This means scrolling through social media, opening application, and playing games feel much smooth compared to standard. For users who spend a lot of time scrolling on social media or gaming, this high refresh rate really improves the overall experience. Watching YouTube or Netflix on this screen is also quite enjoyable, especially considering the price of the phone. Okay, next the performance and daily use. Now let's move to performance. The Redmi Narzo 5G is powered by the MediaTek Helio G chipset for daily activity such as chatting, browsing social media, watching video, and only meetings. This phone performs very well. Application open quickly, multitasking feels smooth, and there are no major issue during normal use. This phone is clearly designed to handle daily tasks comfortable, especially for students and casual users. And next, gaming performance. Now let's talk about performance for games like Mobile Legends. The Redmi Narzo 5G can run the game on high graphic setting with a stable frame rate. The gameplay feels smooth and the phone remains comfortable to hold. For PUBG Mobile, the graphic settings are limited to HD or smooth with high frame rate, but the gameplay is still playable and enjoyable. However, for heavier games like Genshin Impact, this phone is not designed for high setting. You can still play the game on low setting, but there will be frame drop, so this phone is great for casual and competitive mobile games, but not for heavy gaming. Okay, now let's talk about the battery life. The Redmi Narzo 5G is equipped with a 5000 mAh battery, which is more than enough for a full day of use. With normal use, you can easily get 7 and 9 hours of screen on time. The phone also supports 33-watt fast charging, which can fully charge the phone in around 1 hour. This makes the phone very reliable for daily use and daily activity. And next, the camera experience. Now let's move on the camera experience. The Redmi Narzo 5G comes with a 50 megapixel main camera, along with additional sensor in good lighting condition. The photo looks sharp and color balance and details are well preserved. For raw light photography, the results are acceptable for this price range. The front camera is good enough for selfie and video calls. Although there is some beauty processing for video recording, The phone support 4K resolution. The quality is decent for social media content, and target user and value Realme Narzo 5G. So, what is this phone for? The Realme Narzo 5G is perfect for student, casual gamers, user who want smooth performance, people who want a reliable daily smartphones with its smooth display, solid performance, long battery life, and fast charging. This phone offers very good value for money. In the conclusion in this phone, so to conclude this video, the Realme Narzo 5G is a solid smartphone. In its price range, it is not perfect, but it's offer a very balanced experience for daily use. If you're looking for a smartphone that feels smooth, performance well, and lasts all day, the Realme Narzo 5G is definitely worth considering. Thank you and see you.